Wait till I get back. Sure, wait just a minute. Let me give this to Samara. Samara, you want to know where it is?
Oh my goodness. Listen to you. Oh my. Listening to you.
He wants some food. All right.
My goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. You want to see on your face?